Friends, welcome to yet another video in our series Finance and Investing Tidbits. To explore FIN-TRAINICA channel as well as many playlists that we have on offer. The purpose of this video is to discuss the concept of target costing. Welcome to the video. Friends, often in many organizations, pricing policy is formulated with reference to cost. So typically, cost plus profit is derived as the price. So thus, cost becomes the starting point, profit is added on top, and that's how the price is decided and offered to the market. This strategy requires that the cost is determined accurately, and as we have discussed in another video, overheads have become more dominant part of the cost, and they have the potential to create most distortion in product costs. So in case product costs get distorted in its computation, the risk is that the pricing may also completely go wrong. As Henry Ford very famously said, cost accountants know what the cost is, but they don't know what the cost should be. This is a very profound statement because cost accountants use a lot of diligence in arriving at the product cost, though of course there are limitations in the traditional costing in terms of how overheads are spread across products. But nonetheless, they try and do a very diligent job. But the challenge is they are not able to give you a normative answer in terms of what the cost should be. So this is where target costing comes in. Target costing takes a very different approach altogether. Here, the price is taken as the starting point, as it provides an opportunity to benchmark it with reference to the market forces and other competing products. And from the price, the target profit is reduced. So you already have decided that you need so much of profit. Price minus that profit actually gives us the target cost. Thus, in the conventional way of looking at it, we arrive at the cost first, then we load our profit margin requirement on top of that, and that actually gives us the price. Now, this price could be completely mismatched with the current competing products. On the other hand, what target costing does is that the pricing based on companies' positioning vis-a-vis the competition becomes the starting point. From that, you reduce the target profit, and that gives us the target cost, the cost that the company can afford on this product. Then the research and development team, the design team, the manufacturing team, the engineering team, they all work together to achieve the target cost, and that's why the word target. So this target cost is treated as a goal to be achieved by various functional teams working together. This brings a completely fresh approach to the conventional pricing mechanism. Here the price is taken from the market and it creates an incentive to work hard on that cost, and therefore a lot of creative initiatives can be taken to fundamentally reduce the cost. We're not talking about cutting corners here. We're talking about fundamentally challenging the resource needs and looking at the cost from a completely fresh perspective and making efforts to reduce the overall cost of the product. Thank you for watching the video.